great. Today lecture is different from our normal lecture, but it will complement everything we had learned so far. Guys, I want to release spiritual healing for you. This spiritual healing is 100% acceptable if you follow my instruction. Mind you, this spiritual video is to help my community from any spiritual bondage. At the end of this video, I will name what you should not do before performing these spiritual tips. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. If you want spiritual tips or to make money online, dollar arbitrage and general graphics design, now first thing I want you to know is your faith. Whether you are a Christian or Muslim or a free thinker, what I will make mentioning to you here is natural, created by God. Okay, guys. Step 1: wake up in the middle of the night, like 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. That is the time you can do this prayer. That is the time you can do this prayer. Okay, guys. The second one is that look for a bucket of water and make the water to below average of the bucket. Okay. The third one is that look for sea salts. I said 6 salts, not ordinary, not the salts, the one they are refining. Okay, the one you can buy, this one that mentioning salt. Okay, that is the sea salt. So take 3 table teaspoon, put it in a breakable plate or any flat plate. Okay. Step 4: place the bucket of water and breakable plate of salt beside each other. Okay, guys. And then the next thing is that start praying what you want and what you don't want. When you are through with your prayer, if you are a Christian, recite Psalm 35 to the end, that is from 1 to the end, and then 1 to the end. Okay. So if you are a Muslim, recite Surah Al-Waqiyat. And if you don't know it, get the audio and listen to it. Okay. Now, how to use it now? How to use it? The first step is that if you are a type of person that whatever you are doing, you never succeed or things is not going on well, take the breakable plate of salt. Okay, take the breakable plate of salt. You pray with, when you pray it, the breakable plate of oil you pray with, pour it inside the bucket of water you pray with. Okay, mix it together, and make sure that the salt dissolve. Okay, very early in the morning. Okay, guys, very early in the morning, before you talk to anybody, you can first take your normal bath. Okay, you can use your normal bath, whether you use soap or just use any type of soap. Use your normal bath. After you finish your normal bath, now take the water. When you through with your normal bath, you will now take the prayer water. Make sure you pour it from your head to toe, and make sure this water dry in your body. That is, you will not use towel. Okay, guys. The second one is that if you are going for an interview, after using this water to bath, take little of the sauce inside your shoe. Okay, and see and see the miracle. Okay, guys. So the rule is this: before you embark on any project, do this for 3 days. You have to start doing it. Maybe you want to start some new project now. If you want, that is, if you want to use it for a new project, so before you know that, okay, maybe you are going to an interview. Let's say you are going to an interview on Monday. Start 3 days to that interview. Or you want to start a project, start 3 days before that project. or you want to use it for general cleaning of your body. You want to use it for general cleaning of your body. This one is 7 days. Just use that one 7 days and see the miracle of it. Okay, guys. And then the one I will now tell you now, before you perform this thing, make sure you are clean. What I mean by clean is that you don't have any sex with your wife or anyone with the whole period of what of this prayer. Okay, guys, so that is clean. You must be clean and you must have the faith. Okay, guys, so ladies and gentlemen, don't joke with it. Since I have been using it when embarking on any project, it has not failed me. I inherited it from my dad. So, okay, guys, so just focus and make sure you do it the way I asked you to do. So if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Peace.